Hi, I'm Ellis from Ellis Clark Trains, and I'm here today with our Wickham trolleys and trailers. They've just started coming into stock, and we're incredibly happy with them. We've got a number of different types, a number of different liveries. We've got, for example, we've got the yellow with wasp stripes here, the black with wasp stripes as well. This one here is actually one of the weathered examples with the detail pack fitted. It's also got in it the Northumbrian Painting Services crew as well. We offer them in DC analog, which is DCC ready. We also have DCC sound versions as well, and they are all directional lighted with die-cast chassis, fully detailed inside with cab detailing and the works basically. In each box you also get a little detailing bag. This has rolled up curtains and the rails for the turntable as well. They're a great little piece to sort of customize and sort of add to and do things and just have in and amongst your layout. For example, this is a laser cut kit for a dual lane Wickham shed, and we're doing this kit for £45, and it's just a great little addition to your layout. You can the track doesn't come with it, but obviously you can just get some of that spare track you got lying around at the side of the railway and add it. And in real life, they would have a little turntable which sat on the back. It's like almost like an IKEA style turntable, if you like. You put it together, you roll the Wickham trolley onto it, flip it around, and literally by hand they rolled these Wickham trolleys into the shed. So a great little thing to put on your railway, run about. You can have it running in between steam locos, diesel locos. Some of the biggest ones are class 40. It looks great when you see a little Wickham running in between all the gigantic diesels that you've got. As I say, these are out now, and the Wickham trolley and trailer, which you get as standard in a box, is £150, with the DCC sound version being £280. We also have these little add-on flatbed trailers, and they're £28 each, and they would just sit behind, but they would literally be pulled behind, and they'd carry tools, accessories. They might even have like an engine on them or a generator or something like that. Again, the great thing about Wickhams is you can do so much with them, and for transporting railwaymen, tools, parts up and down along the railway. Great for that. Terrifying, but great. We will also be stocking extra plank trailers in each livery as well, and they're £30 each. That is our Wickham trolley and everything that goes with it. As I say, they're in stock now on the website. We'll have them at exhibitions. You can give us a call, and yeah, thank you very much for watching.